ورحمة الله وبركاته. عاملين ايه يا شباب؟ النهاردة ان شاء الله بإذن الله هيكون أول درس عندنا في solving equation. As we studied before, in primary 6 we have many groups or many titles for natural numbers, for integers numbers, and Q, as we know before. When I want to solve equation in n or natural numbers, we have to find the value of x in the equation and value of x in integers or in z, then in Q in prep 1 now. Let's start answer from x equals or x plus 12 equals 9. First I have to write equal down of each of equal up to make equation with two sides. X equals 12 here will go to the opposite sides by different sign. Here positive, so it will be negative. So x here will be 9 negative 12 equals negative 3. So the solution set here, it will be one element. When I want to find the solution set in n, it will be negative 3. N here, we know before that n is the whole numbers positive or whole numbers after 0, starting from 0 and so on. So negative 3 here not found in n, so it will be 5. And solution set in z, it will be negative 3, because negative 3 here is belong to z negative, and the solution set in Q, it will be negative 3 as a rational numbers. Before we taught that negative 3 in Q and in Z not found in 5. Exercise number 2, here x as it is, but the number beside will be go to the opposite side here to make equation and find the value of x. It will be negative 7 3 over 4. Negative here, it will be positive 5 and half. Then x, it will be negative 2 and quarter, or negative 2 by 4 equals 8, or negative 9 over 4. So the solution set in n, it will be negative 9 over 4 as natural numbers here, no, but the solution set in z here, integers here, it will be 5. Why? Because we have here a fraction or decimal number. Here solution set in Q, it will be negative 9 over 4 between braces, because we have Q here as a rational number. Here y is the missing value here. It will be y here, but before we have to deal with signs. Negative negative, it will be positive 4 equals negative 7. So y here 4 will go to the other side. It will be negative 7, negative 4. Y, it will be negative 11. When I want to find the solution set here in n, solution set in set, solution set in Q. If he asked about Q only, you will find in Q. Okay, he asked here about n. I'm going here to find many solutions if he asked about it. But here about n, he asked about n, so n will be 5. That will be 5, and the Q more details to find the value. Here in Q, it will be negative 11. The otherwise here x equals 9. Here the number beside x multiplied, it will be there will be divide with the different sign, divide 3 over 4. It's belong, he asked to find belong to Z. So solution set in Z. Here x equals 9 times 4 over 3, it will be 36 divided 3, it will be x equals 112. So the solution set it will be 12.